Your UUID and password allow you access to resources across the University of Memphis systems, including the My Memphis portal, e-learning, and library services. To change your password, you'll need to access the iam identity management system. Open your web browser and enter iam.memphis.edu in the address bar. If you're not logged in, enter your UUID and password and click Login. Then follow the instructions for Duo authentication. Click the Change Password link at the top of the screen. You can now create a new password for your account. Be sure to choose something memorable for you, but difficult for others to guess. To be accepted, your password must meet the security requirements displayed on screen. The password strength meter on the right shows how secure your selected password is. A stronger password means better protection for your private personal information. After you've created a new, valid password, re-enter the new password in the Confirm the New Password field. Then click the Change button. You've successfully changed your University of Memphis account password. Never share your password with anyone, even University of Memphis staff or officials. If you're unable to complete these steps or need further assistance, please call the service desk at 901-678-8888.